Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So I'm just want to do a quick, simple video. If you own a turning point trailer air Lippert hitch, or pin box, excuse me, this is the kind that pivots on its own. We typically take and put the bolts in the back of them and lock them out so that when we move them with the forklift, that nothing spins. There's actually maintenance that's required to be done on this. So we've done some other articles and posts in the past, and it just, I'm looking at it and it made me think, how many people are out there that didn't know that there's actually a bearing and a seal inside this guy up top that needs to be taken care of. And so I don't think I can't get up in there to show you, but basically that's where the bolts go to lock it out to prevent it from turning. But there's actually maintenance that's required on these if you're using them for that. So make sure to check your owner's manual, go to lippertcomponents.com and see their information on that. And I'll see if I can't find the old post and link some of the pictures to that, or share this video within that post. So, all right, stay tuned for more, and hope this video helps you. Again, make sure you're doing your maintenance. All right, thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.